Today I am going to tell you how to make hematoxylin solution. First of all, we have to collect the reagents which are really needed for the preparation of hematoxylin solution. Hematoxylin powder, Harris hematoxylin is the best one, it is preferred, and good quality hematoxylin powder will be brown in color. Second is the potash alum, third is mercuric oxide, fourth is ethanol, and then distilled water. Now what are the steps? First of all, weigh hematoxylin 4 gram, which will be needed for 900 ml of the total solution. Then weigh mercuric oxide 2 gram and potash alum 100 grams, and then measure ethanol 60 ml, and distilled water will be 800 ml. Now boil the water with addition of the potash alum and keep on boiling until it is dissolved. And this is enough for the 4 gram of hematoxylin, 16 ml ethanol. So the next step is you add hematoxylin to 60 ml of ethanol and shake it until it is dissolved in that ethanol. After that, the best precaution is that potash alum, which is in the distilled water, after boiling it dissolved, take it away from the fire, then add gently from the side, slowly and gradually, all the 60 ml of hematoxylin ethanol solution into the potash alum. If you add it while the water and potash alum is on the fire or on the burner, then the chances are a fire may take place and the whole solution may burst. So it is better to take this potash alum solution away from the burner and then add slowly hematoxylin solution. So then keep on slowly heating this solution and add 2 grams of the mercuric oxide and keep on shaking. You can just stir it with some of the stirrer until you see a sheen on the surface of hematoxylin solution. So when you see a green sheen, then the solution is ready to be used. Now you can stand various sliders and adjust the time, and the time will be between 1 to 3 minutes. And this detail you can also see on labpedia.net. labpedia.net.